When the man didn't know he should be on his meadow and get torn apart. Just because I'm pursuing that I could be kind of it if I only had a heart. I'd be tender, I'd be gentle, and awful sentimental regarding love and art. I'd be friends with the sparrows and the bird that shoots the arrows if I only had a heart. Picture me in balcony above the white sands low. When